Hello, hatchlings! Welcome back to Hatch ESL. We want to say thank you to our subscribers and for watching our videos. If you want to learn and practice English, go ahead and check our website. It's www.hatchesl.com to get your free level assessment and a 25-minute trial lesson. See you soon! Welcome to Lesson 10. Our new vocabulary is for the time being. For the time being. It means at this time only or not forever. Where are your parents now, Cookie?
My mom and dad are living with my sister for the time being. But next year, they will move to Amsterdam for good.